COSTWAY washing machine. Twin tub 20 lbs capacity, WASHER, 12 lbs, and SPINNER, 8 lbs, portable compact laundry machines durable design energy saving, rotary controller and washer spin DRYER, grade plus white. Twin tub design you can operate washer or spinner separately, and you can also run two sides on the same time. The two-tub design can meet your different needs, which makes the washing more easy and convenient. This product is not for sale in California. Effective performance with 260W washing power and 140W spinner power, this washing machine works highly efficiently. And a large capacity of 12 pounds per wash and 8 pounds per spin helps to support your busy life. Separate time setting. This washing machine has separate timer control settings for washer and spinner operations, 15 minutes for washing and 5 minutes for spinning. You can set the time according to the amount of your clothes, and it can help you save much energy and time. Compact and portable. This twin tub washing machine is portable and compact. It is perfect for your limited space such as dorms, apartments, condos, motor homes, RVs, camping and more. And the lightweight makes it easy for moving. Shipping and customer service. UPS or USPS will deliver the item to your house in 3 to 6 business days after you placed an order. We pack the item as good as we can. If there is any damaged part, please contact us first and offer us pictures of damaged part. We will solve the problem as the way you want. Discount or replacement. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.